So I've got a cool 3D print for you. I am making some trees for the tabletop. Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So on this week's video, I'm going to be cleaning up and getting these 3D printed trees ready for paint. This is one of the most complicated 3D prints that I've ever had to clean up. Now I printed these trees off in two separate pieces. Right here you can see I'm cleaning up the canopy, which I chose to put the supports on the underside with a 45-degree rotation on the canopy. I did this so that the support nubs would not mar up the actual leaves of the print. Now if you were doing this on anything other than a resin printer, you could print this flat with fairly good success. But a resin printer, if I didn't put the 45-degree angle on this, I'm fairly confident that I would have had a failure about halfway through this print, just simply due to the large surface area of the print. Now with the canopy cleaned up, it's time to move on to the trunk of the tree. Now this is printed at a much shallower angle, mostly due to the size of this print. If I rotated it really severely, it wouldn't have fit in the printing volume of my Anycubic Photon S. So I have about a 15-degree angle on this, and if I had it to do over again, would have tried to push that a little further. Now I printed the trunk of the tree upside down because I figured that I would get some warping on the base if I didn't do that, and quite possibly some bed adhesion issues. And by printing it upside down, I had more supports to remove, but I think the quality of the print turned out better overall. Now, as far as removing the supports, just like the canopy, I'll be using a side cutter to attack the majority of these. And you just kind of have to whittle your way down through. Be careful not to pull and rip because some of these branches are not much thicker than the supports that you're trying to remove. And you might inadvertently pull a branch off like I did and have to reattach it with some super glue. For the final fit, I needed to get the support nubs off of the inside of the canopy, and just to save a little time, I chose to use a Dremel for this process. I can't believe how great these trees look once you get the supports off of them, and I'm excited to get some paint on them and to see how they turn out. For a little variety, I'll reverse every other tree just so they don't all look the same on the tabletop. Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.